Hi YouTube and good morning to everybody. I hope everybody is having a great morning. But I wanted to come and show y'all some eyeshadows that I have created, one from last year and two for this year. And I actually think I did a pretty good job. So I'm going to tell you what would you need. You would need two eyeshadows of your choice or eyeshadow pigment of your choice. So I will leave the colors down at the bottom. So let me show you the pigment I end up using. I end up using this pigment right here and thing. And I am going to give you a couple swatches. So when I go and I read and I make these shadows myself, coming up with colors myself, this is what I do. I'll take two shadows, cut them up, put a half in and then put a half out, leave out, and then I will pour a good amount of alcohol in there to make the shadows, and then I will mix it up and stuff. I'll take a plastic, you could say, oh my god, let me see, a plastic spoon, plastic fork, no matter what, that's what. So I wanted to come this morning and show y'all some of the colors. So this is the latest one I did using the pigment. Yeah, I had got a white eyeshadow from CoverGirl. My aunt went and picked up for me. And if you can't, ooh, if you can't tell, I put that pigment. Let me show you again. This particular pigment, a good amount of that up in there and stuff. So yeah, good amount. And I just want y'all to see this. Mm. And we're just gonna. And I hope you can see that. But yeah, that's me putting a shimmery white eyeshadow in the pigment and mixing it together, and you have this sort of like bluish purple hue to it. So yeah, that ended up turning out pretty good. So let me and I always use the same pan, whatever I popped the most out of, I'll use. So yeah. So the next one is this one right here. And this one I had used a very bronzy highlight and black and mixed it together. And here's that one, if you can see that. So the one I did last night, and this one was like a month, probably about 1 month back. So yeah. So the next one, it's a royal blue and black mixed together. Let so you have like this beautiful white and destined looking eyeshadow, and then you have this sort of like blackish, like gunmetal looking color right here. So then you have this color. It's sort of like a blackish, if you can see. And it's sort of like a blackish blue. And that's the blackest blue. But that's all of the colors right there. And I'm very excited to get ready to use that later on. But let me know with the swatches and everything. If you like the out of all of these colors, which one did you like? But like I said, this one is my newest one, and I end up using this glitter pigment, and I will leave the name of it at the in the bottom, and I'll try to tell you what colors I did to mix everything with. But yes, so yeah, that is it. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.